Hey guys, it's Kat here, and you're tuning in to another Kitty Gang tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these reusable beeswax food wraps. You'll need beeswax, cotton fabric, a cheese grater, 2 sheets of parchment paper, and an iron. These food wraps are super easy to make, look great in your kitchen and lunch bag, and helps reduce the use of plastic waste. So make them for yourself and gift them for everyone you know. You can have a lot of fun picking the fabrics for your wraps. I found these strips at the bargain bin at my local craft store. They're just a regular cotton blend and cost me around $4. I've cut them into different sizes for a variety. I'm also going to use this ill-fitting shirt that was donated to me by my partner. Just make sure you pre-wash and iron your fabrics just to remove any chemicals and starches that may be on it when you bought them. The wax that I'm going to be using today is a blend of tree resin, oil, and beeswax made by an Australian company, Systome. The oil helps make the wrap less sticky and gummy, and the tree resin gives it that perfect pliability and helps prevent the wax from cracking. Over top of a sheet of parchment paper, place your fabric and spread your grated wax evenly. It's best to start light because you can always add more wax. Then place the other sheet of parchment paper over top of your wax and press with your iron to melt the wax into the fabric. If you have a peek and see that you have areas that aren't shiny, that means you don't have wax there. Simply add more. My iron is on the highest setting, and I'm just using the edge of the iron to evenly distribute the melted wax. To dry, I just set mine over a hanger and it was dried and good to go within minutes. To clean your wrap, simply wash with a bit of soap and cold water to prevent the wax from melting. I love the way this tutorial turned out. I swear I'm not buying any more plastic wrap ever again. And I also had the pleasure of meeting Bronwyn, the owner of Systome, and I interviewed her for the Kitty Gang blog. She shares how her travels inspired her to start her entrepreneurial journey, and she gives some really great advice on other ways you can reduce waste in your household and some boss babe tips for our makers and aspiring entrepreneurs. The link is just in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more DIYs, and be sure to check out our website, wearekittygang.com, for more interviews and bonus tutorials. If you make these food wraps, please tag us on Instagram at weare_kittygang. We'd love to see what you make. Thanks, gang. Bye.